Hey kitty cat, so I'm doing my blush and bronzer declutter, and these are all like my loose brushes, and there's a quad here. So I'm gonna start with that. I've had this forever, but I still use it. I in fact used it the other day, and as you can see, I've even hit pan on one of them. So I'm gonna keep it. I know it's ridiculous, but I'm going to keep it. There's a Pacifica one. I use these pretty often too, so especially this one. Not so much this one, but I use this one quite a bit. You see that? So yeah, I'm gonna keep that too. This is one of my e.l.f. blushes. This is Candid Coral. I'm gonna let this go. And this one is Mellow Mauve, another e.l.f. And I'm gonna let that one go too. I don't use it that often. Now this one is, what is it? Tickled Pink. As you can see, I'm gonna keep it because I do use it pretty often. And you know, I've hit pan on it and I just want to finish it up. So I'm gonna keep that one. This one is Land of Lollies from NYX. It is in the color Lollipop Hop. I think I'm gonna let this go. I don't use it very often. And it's kind of bright on me. Here we have the Too Faced Apricot in the Act. So I don't use it that often actually, but I do like it. It's just, it's very glittery, so I have to be in the right mood for it, you know? So I'm gonna keep that. Now there's this Tarte one. This Tarte one is Quirky. There you go. And I'll be keeping that. And I have another Tarte one here in the color Feisty. And I'll be keeping that one too. I like the Tarte blushes. This one I've had for like ever. It's Kitty Pink. I like it a lot. It's from DLS. I'll be keeping it. Now we've got this Ginger and Gold from Seraphine Botanicals. I do use it, but I don't, every time I use it, I'm like disappointed by it. I don't, so I'm gonna let it go so that I don't keep using it and then going, oh yeah. This is Madison Miller from Ofra, and the color is Sweet Stuff. I haven't used it that much, but I'm gonna keep it, give it a chance. Pixie's Peach Parfait. It's a pretty color. I wouldn't call it peach though. I think it's more of a pinky than a peachy, but yeah, I'll be keeping it. And this one is from, oh yeah, this one's always fun because it never wants to open. There we go, I got it open. It's in the color Cotton Candy. It's from Phase Zero. I actually like this color a lot, so I will be keeping that one. So, from the loose blushes, I'm going to keep all of these. I think they can all go in one box. Maybe. Yeah, they all fit in one box now. So, there we go. Those are the brushes I'm keeping. And now, I'm going to do... I'm going to do these bronzers. Oh boy. So this I'm keeping, of course, because this is my favorite. My butter bronzer from, my brain just fell out. What's the name of this company? Physicians Formula. Love this stuff. Love the smell of it. Love the way it looks on my skin. Okay, it's time for me to give up these Wet n Wild bronzers. I think I've only used this one once, and they're okay and everything. I don't use them. This one I've used a couple times and it's actually pretty good, so I'll be keeping it. This one I still haven't used. A friend of mine gave this to me. This, I love Revolution Cinnamon Sugar. And I love these little, like, donut packaging. But I think I used it, like, once. I just touched it, you know, to, like, so I'm gonna keep that. Gigi Gorgeous, her bronzers, this Sick Sculpt bronzer duo. I'm gonna let it go. I'm just not interested. And then we've got this Laritzy Cosmetics cream bronzer. I'm actually gonna keep this. I'm not sure why, but I am. So, keeping 4 bronzers out of 7. So, okay. That's pretty good, right? Now I've got like a whole bunch of blush and bronzer palettes. Now, if you know me and you've watched me do makeup, you're like probably saying, I didn't even know that you liked bronzers, because I rarely use them. Okay, this I've had forever. As you can see, this is from my daughter and her friend using this palette, and they like went to town on this. I don't know why. I used to use this quite a bit, but I stopped, and now I think it's time. IT Cosmetics. It was good, but no. This I got in a giveaway. Contour is a girl's best friend from Velvet 59. I used it a little bit here and there, but not very much. I'm just gonna let it go. Yeah. This is Lovecraft Beauty. Their blushes. Yeah. Say goodbye to those. I don't use them. I don't particularly like these colors. I'm just not into them. So, and everything I let go, my daughter has first dibs on. And then my niece can have some if she wants. So, this is my Pretties for Your Face. I only have one blush in here. It's called Vila. I very much like it, so it will be staying. This is the Ace Beauty. I was so excited to get something from Ace Beauty, but it's something that I don't use because it's like bronzers. And look how dark these two are. Like, I'm pretty fair skinned, but I don't know. I haven't really tried them out, so I'm gonna hold on to them. Give them a chance, right? I hate this palette. I tried so many times to use it. The Shania B Miami blush and highlighter palette. I wanted to like it. I mean, it's so cute. The packaging's cute. Little flamingos. I mean, adorable, right? But I don't use it. I really don't. I mean, it's blush and highlighter, but I don't use it. So I'm gonna let it go. So I'm only keeping the one bronzer palette in this. And that's a lot. This is a lot of stuff that's going. Blushes and bronzers and palettes, blush and bronzer palettes. Like, all of this is going. So, not bad, right? And I showed you all the blushes I'm keeping, and 2 bronzers, 1 bronzer palette, and the 1 Vila blush. So, that's everything. thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And see you later, kitty cats. Be safe.